In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage teams in Freshdesk. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up groups, add the right people, and fine-tune how tickets flow through your support process. Start by heading to the admin area. Look for the gear icon in your Freshdesk dashboard. This is where all your configuration lives, so it's the first stop whenever you want to organize your help desk. Inside admin, find the Teams section and click Groups. In Freshdesk, groups are essentially your teams, collections of agents who handle a specific type of request or a particular customer segment. Organizing your agents into clear groups makes assigning and tracking tickets much simpler. Next, click New Group to create a team from scratch. This opens a setup page where you'll define the basics. Give your group a clear, memorable name. Aim for something that reflects its purpose, like billing, technical support, or VIP customers. If it helps provide context for other admins or future you, add a short description. This is a great place to include scope, hours, or coverage notes, so everyone understands what the group is for. Now, add agents to the group. Select the people who should handle tickets for this team. You can choose as many as you need, and don't worry, you can always adjust membership later. Make sure the agents you add have the right roles and permissions to work in this area of your help desk. If your plan and permissions allow it, configure group rules next. This is where you can define how tickets are assigned or who can see them within Freshdesk. For example, you might enable automatic assignment to evenly distribute new tickets among available agents, or restrict visibility so only members of the group can view certain requests. Keep your team size and workload in mind as you set these options. When everything looks good, click Save. You'll be taken back to your groups list, and your new team will appear there ready to use. From now on, you can route tickets directly to this group or build automations that send specific issues their way. To manage existing teams, return to the Groups page anytime. Open any group to review and update it. You can adjust the name, refine the description, add or remove members, and tweak settings to match current workloads or priorities. Remember to save your changes so they go into effect immediately. That's it. Your teams are set up and easy to manage. Thanks for watching.